Hi there, welcome back again. So in today's video we have this question: x raised to the power of a is equals to 81, 27 raised to the power of b is equals to 9x, and ab is equals to 24, and we have to solve for a and b. Now the first step we're going to take in solving this question, we're going to bring down our second equation, which is 27 raised to the power of b is equals to 9x. Now we're going to try making our x the subject of the formula. So what do? We divide both sides by 9. So this is going to give us x is equals to 27 raised to the power of b all over 9. Now as you can see, our 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3, and our 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2. So we'll do just that, and we'll be left with x is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3b all over 3 raised to the power of 2. Now using the laws of indices, we can actually write our equation on the right hand side. So this is going to give us x is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3b minus 2. Now remember, in our question we have our x raised to the power of a is equals to 81, and our ab is equals to 24. Now this is actually important, and we are going to use it in the next step. The next step we are taking is to raise both sides by the power of a. So we have our x raised to the power of a is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3b minus 2, all raised to the power of a. Now when we multiply through, we have our x raised to the power of a is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3ab minus 2a. Now still using the law of indices on our right hand side, we are going to write our equation as x raised to the power of a is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3ab all over 3 raised to the power of 2a. Now this is actually the time we are going to use what I said you should remember. So our x raised to the power of a is equals to 81, and our ab is equals to 24. So when we substitute that, we have 81 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 24 all over 3 raised to the power of 2a. Now when we multiply 3 by 24, we have 72. So we have our 81 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 72 all over 3 raised to the power of 3a. So the next step we're taking is trying to make 3 raised to the power of 2a the subject of the formula. So this is going to give us 3 raised to the power of 3a is equals to 3 raised to the power of 72 all over 81. Now still based on 3, our 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 4. So we have our 3 raised to the power of 3a is equals to 3 raised to the power of 72 all over 3 raised to the power of 4. Now using the laws of indices, we can write the right hand part of our equation as 3 raised to the power of 72 minus 4. So with this, 72 minus 4 is going to give us 68. So we have our 3 raised to the power of 2a is equals to 3 raised to the power of 68. Now since they have equal base, which is 3 is equals to 3, they're going to cancel out, and we'll be left with 2a is equals to 64. So with this, our a is equals to 68 divided by 2. So our a finally is equals to 34. Now I'm not going to solve for b. I'm going to go back to the comment section. Let me see your answers on your solution on b. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.